drew me to the fire service was really the camaraderie and the brotherhood of it, and the work especially. I love hard work, and I love doing it with people that I love, and I couldn't think of a better fit for me than the fire service.
Throughout the whole course, I would say that confidence was really the big thing that changed for me. I was very scared and timid coming into it, didn't know what I was getting myself into. And at the end of it, I'm very confident. I know my skill set, and I know that what I studied was ultimately what got me here to the end.
So I took the leap after 3.5 years. I came here, and it's probably been the best decision of my life. I've enjoyed all of it, haven't had any regrets. Even on the ride-alongs, I'm having a blast. Coming to class, sometimes like at the start I was a little nervous, but even now I'm just having fun, going with it, and I'm really excited for the future.
It's tough. You're going to be pushed to your limits, and you're going to find out that you had kind of higher limits and stuff that you didn't know you were fully capable of. So it's tough, but you will get through it, and you'll become better because of it.
The instructors are absolutely willing to help you if you let them. They'll get on you, and they'll light you up sometimes, but they do it out of the passion of being in the fire service and the passion for the community and building up people who they think they would be proud of to see graduate the academy.
I think honestly this program has changed my life for the better. I mean, I'm still young, and I've had a very early introduction into my career and beginning to start my career and whatnot. I think I've developed a lot physically. This is definitely the most physical I've ever been pushed in my life, as well as mentally. I mean, it's a lot between the course load, the workouts that we're doing, and just even as much as you're sweating, it develops you a lot, both physically and mentally.
please don't quit. Like, it's going to feel really good when you get to the end of it and you're with your people, your company, whoever you're with. It feels amazing being on the other side of it, knowing that you're all done. So push through. If it's not something you want to do, get out early, but go through the whole thing.